Oh my goodness. See, let me not show this on camera. Hey D'lytefuls, welcome to the Koko Show. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a good day. I want to say thank you for coming on back. I truly appreciate it. I'll tell you what I got, because you know what your girl got. I got my hands, because as you see, we got some hand thingies, right? I have the new Dr. Pepper strawberry drink, so we're going to try that today. And I also have my drip guy. We bougie today. We bougie. And we gonna need it because we got some gravy. Over here, we about to dig on in. Bless it. Got some honey, some black and ranch, homemade gravy. I literally just made that. And I just wanted some chicken. This is not an ASMR apparently because I'm talking like I don't know what. Okay. But I just wanted to try the biscuit, which I did a short on. And it is delicious. So let's get started because I ain't here to be waiting. Alright, y'all. I am so hungry. It is crazy. First things first. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I hope y'all saw that short. She made that gravy. Y'all see it? Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Ooh. Got onions, red onions, white onions. I didn't even start off with the drink. I need to eat something. It has a hint of strawberry smell. So how about that strawberry? I mean, this was just the perfect timing to do it. I had this for like a couple weeks now. Excuse me. I don't drink Dr. Pepper, but I do get a slight if you're a strawberry and cream type person, which I am, let's get some black and ranch. And what sauce do you like at Popeyes with your chicken, if you like anything besides hot sauce? Y'all get a bite? Did y'all get some? Yeah, I had the garlic hot sauce. A little hot sauce on that thing. Put some hot sauce on my chicken, baby. Oh my goodness. That garlic in there. Let me just start right under my chin. The double one. That so far was the best bite. Yeah. Ooh, y'all, I'm so hungry. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Ooh, hungry hippo. Sorry. And we're gonna swing it all around because I do the hokey pokey and turn myself invisible. Let me not do that for that be a copyright or something. I think I'm getting better at the gravy. It's a bit looser. It worked out. Oh, aren't those always the best? Got some Nene honey here, y'all. Nene Eats ASMR. Check out her channel. And go grab you something special. Okay. This is really good. This hot sauce is really, really good. I'm gonna get some of these onions up in here, some more, like a bunch of them. Amazing. Amazing. Dip a little black and ranch on him. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, let me not show this on camera. Ooh. Excuse me. I know it's all good. Y'all can see more than that. Ooh. Last but not least, well, as far as the chicken goes, all right, y'all. Let's enjoy this biscuit. I'm gonna heat it up real quick, and we're back. Yay! I heated it up a little bit, and a piece of it broke off. That let you know how soft and moist it is. So just a little moment, then I'm gonna show y'all again. Get you some honey on that thing, honey. My hand's burning like I don't know. Woo! Woo! Nice icing on the top. Nice and soft. They're disrespectful. They're disrespectful. What they trying to say? But that honey though, I'm telling you, drop that honey on it. It's not needed. But I say, look, I really ain't seen nobody go crazy over these. Like, but now I'm hearing they're freaking delicious. And they are. Oh, wow. You disrespectful. Then you gonna fall in the chicken bones? Oh, damn. Then I checked on you before we started to make sure you was good. I'm always proud when I can finish a meal. Woo! That was fun. Oh. Ooh, you doing that today, huh? All right, Delightfuls, that was a nice, crispy, tender, sweet treat with a good soda on the side. I recommend this. If you like Dr. Pepper and if you like anything that is strawberry and cream, or if you like strawberries, you know what I'm saying? I would say try it. It's very delicious. It's less, and if you don't like Dr. Pepper, I would still say try it because Yes, it still has a Dr. Pepper taste, but the strawberry and cream gives it a little sweeter, little something. All right, I don't know how to explain. Just try. Anyway, you already know what your girl got to say. Koko, come on, say it with me, y'all, real quick. 3, 2, 1. Koko gotta go though. Hey, Koko gotta go though. Thank you. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.